The term polyadelphous is related to option A, corolla. It is incorrect because this is not related to corolla, that is the petals of the flowers. Option B, calyx. It is also incorrect because the calyx consists of sepals and is unrelated to polyadelphous. Option C, gynoecium. It is also incorrect because gynoecium refers to the female reproductive part of a flower, which includes carpels or pistils, which is not related to polyadelphous. Option D, androecium. Polyadelphous refers to the condition in which the stamens, that is the male reproductive part of a flower, are united into more than two groups by their filaments. So this term is related to androecium. Hence, it is the correct option.